Okay, so today we are going to make a paper plane. So grab a paper like this, okay, and then put it over here. And just to make sure that we are doing it correctly, we fold it like this, and then we will fold it in half like this, and then like this, and then we straight it up, and then we fold it like this, then like this, okay, and then we do it here, then like this, like this, okay, and then we fold this like this, okay. Now its wings, these are its wings, like this and like this. Now you want to know how it flies, so we just hold it like this, and